a frozen hot cocoa frappe.
Thank you.
100 grams of ice. Cheeks is 90 mils of milk and coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eye off about 50-60 mils of milk, and I'm going to make a quick shot to go in there. You can pre-made this.
On the island?
Normally we would have a dosing grinder ready to go.
Did you?
Yeah.
You put her up in the holiday home, did you? You did your regular daily check.
Let's use a nice clean shot glass. Have we got one?
Is your house been busy this summer? Is your house been busy this summer? The back house been Oh, you got some in the front of
These can actually be pre-made and then chilled down, so you don't need to make these to order. It works fine.
That'll save a lot of time.
Save lots of time, and it's already cold as well.
Yeah.
And here.
It's the
Pack of frozen hot cocoa goes straight in.
Yep.
Pre-dosed, make sure it all goes in.
So that's about 40 grams.
It is precisely
43.
43 grams. I just do this on program 1, it works fine.
Which is 18 seconds, does it say?
Yes.
Oh, at different speeds.
We'll see how accurate my estimation of volume was here. Thick. Okay, I'm slightly under with my volume.
I think we'll allow you 20 cc.
Okay. That's the standard.
So this is called a frappuccino, is it?
Yeah, Frappe Frappuccino.
Plastic caps as well, I
Oh,
see.
it's been wasted.